So thank you for joining me today. I'm going to do something a little bit differently than what is usually on my channel. I do have some Sims content on here, but I usually don't record my gameplay or anything that I'm doing, although I am an avid player and have been for pretty much the full 20 years that the game has been out. But today I felt like I was in the mood to do a little bit of Create a Sim, and I wanted to sort of play the story, because I think I was on social media. I want to say Instagram maybe, or Facebook, but either way, I was watching a guy and he was going into the lore of some of the base game families that that we receive in The Sims. So I was like, it kind of made me want to play one of the families, because I usually create my own Sims and just play their stories and make up things as I go. But I wanted to play the story, but of course I don't want to play them with the outfits and whatnot that they come in with. So I wanted to see what I could do to jazz up Eliza. That is her name, right? Because I will say a name, I will mess it up in a minute. And we do not speak Simlish around here. So yeah, it's Eliza. One should know that, but I don't, because I don't play within the game. Currently I do have mods in my game, so there is custom content in here. So I may do 2 versions, but I want to also challenge myself to see if I can turn her into maybe a baddie. I guess that's the youngins will call it, but see what I can turn her into within maybe 10 minutes. That's what we'll do. We'll do 10 minutes. I was thinking 20, but I'll do 10 minutes, and we'll see what we come up with. So I have set the timer once I hit go. So let's just sit back, relax, and see what we come up with. gonna be a no on that forehead, Eliza. Okay, so with a minute and 34 seconds to spare, I think I am going to leave her here. Just gave her a little Razzle Dazzle in the shoe and just a color coordinated deal here in the front. Of course, some custom content nails and jewelry. It's perfectly matched, or close enough on the Sims necklace or the game necklace versus the custom content earrings. So those are kind of cute. So I think we did okay. Let's see if we can do a side by side to see the before and the after. Cool beans. So tell me what you think in the comments. If you haven't already, be sure to go ahead and like, subscribe, and if you know anybody who's into this type of content, go ahead and share the video as well. Remember, your support is free. I appreciate you so much for watching. Come back soon for more.